નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Hello students, this is part 1. That means naturally we are starting new chapter and the name of the chapter is acids, bases and salts, and that is chapter 5. Okay, and it is of 7th standard science. Before starting this chapter, let me tell you, see this, in this chapter you are going to learn some basic concepts of acids, bases and salts. But it is very important chapter for you. Why? Because in the 8th standard, 9th standard, even in 10th standard, even further, you will find everywhere there is acids, bases and salts. So you must try to understand this basic concepts then and then, and so it will be more useful to you. So be ready for this chapter, and now let's start our chapter, that is acids, bases and salts. And you must keep open your textbook and you should be on the page number 48 in your textbook. So let's start our chapter. We use in our daily life a large number of substances such as lemon, tamarind, common salt, sugar and vinegar. In our daily life we used to use this type of or every type of substances, isn't it? Do they have the same taste? क्या सभी सब्सटेंसेस जो भी हम डेली रूटीन में यूज करते हैं सभी का सेम टेस्ट होता है? Let us recall taste of some edible substances listed in table 5.1. If you have not tasted any of these substances, taste it now and enter the result in the table. See, there is a table 5.1. अब हमें क्या करना है? We will note down the taste of each substances. अब कुछ एक substances जो कि 5.1 में नोट डाउन है, आपने टेस्ट नहीं किए तो आपने क्या करना है? पहले उसको टेस्ट करना है, फिर उसका जो रिजल्ट है, उसका जो टेस्ट है उसमें लिखना है. ठीक है? टेस्ट कौन सा? आइदर सोर या तो बीटर या तो एनी अदर. ओके, so and before that let me give you, there is a question. It is that do not taste anything unless asked to do so. आप कुछ भी टेस्ट नहीं करेंगे जब तक कि आपको कहा ना जाए. That means do not taste anything unless asked to do so. जब तक बोला ना जाए तब तक कुछ भी टेस्ट नहीं करना है. दूसरा, सेकंड, do not touch anything unless asked to do so. अगर आप लेबोरेटरी में जाते हैं then do not touch anything जब तक कि आपको कहा ना जाए, because you don't know how much acids and bases are harmful to us. That is why this question is there. Okay, now let's try to complete table 5.1. and you know, I think you must have tasted all these things. Say this is table 5.1. okay, now substances. First one is lemon juice. So what is the taste of lemon juice? Is it sour or sweet? Sour, isn't it? Then orange juice, once again sour. खट्टा मीठा है ना, खट्टा मीठा होता है, लेकिन here we want to go for sour, bitter or other. That is why sour. Then vinegar. Vinegar is also sour in taste. Okay. फिर आता है कर्ड. अब देखो कर्ड है वो जनरली तो सोर ही होता है, लेकिन अगर ताजा है तो कुछ कम होगा, लेकिन it is sour. The taste of curd is sour. Then tamarind. Have you ever tasted tamarind or not? It is sour in taste, isn't it? देखते ही मुंह में पानी आ जाता है ना. फिर शुगर. Sugar is actually sweet. Actually, it is sweet. Or else we can write other. Why other? Because we want to write only sour or bitter. That is why I write other. Okay. Then common salt. It is salty. है ना, salty taste. So we can say other. है ना. Then amla. Amla is also sour in taste. है ना. Then baking soda. Baking soda is bitter in taste. Baking soda is bitter in taste. Then one more are there, some are there, that is grapes. Grapes used to be sour and sweet, that is why I am writing here sour. Unripe mango. Do you like unripe mango? That is sour in taste. And cucumber. Taste is other. So here we can see many of them are of taste sour, isn't it? And this is table 5.1. Let's go further. You find that some of these substances taste sour, some taste bitter, some taste sweet, and some taste salty. Now we are going for point 5.1, acids and bases. So, point 5.1, acids and bases. Curd, lemon juice, orange juice and vinegar taste sour. अभी हमने वो टेबल 5.1 में देखा. These substances taste sour because they contain acids. Why they taste sour? Because they contain acid in them. The chemical nature of such substance is acidic. See, they contains acid. That is why they are sour. But that enhance the chemical nature of those substances are acidic. Okay, so acids and acidic. Acids are sour, and the chemical nature of acids are acidic. The word acid comes from the Latin word acere, which means sour. मतलब ये जो एसिड वर्ड आया है वो भी लैटिन वर्ड से आया है. The acids in this substance are natural acids. What about baking soda? Does it also taste sour? Baking soda को आपने टेस्ट किया. Does it taste sour? If not, what is its taste? Since it does not taste sour, it means that it has no acids in it. See, baking soda does not taste sour. That means what? There is no acid in baking soda. It is bitter in taste. If you rub its solution between fingers, it feels soapy. अब आप क्या करोगे? बेकिंग सोडा का थोड़ा सा सॉल्यूशन लोगे और उसको आप दो फिंगर के बीच में रब करोगे. Then you will find it is something like soapy, means sleepy होगा. soapy जो सोप लगाया है और जो हम फील कर रहे हैं उस टाइप का आपको फील होगा. Generally, substances like this which are bitter in taste and feel soapy on touching are known as bases. Generally, substances like this which are bitter in taste and feel soapy on touching. देखो, bitter in taste and feel soapy while in feeling. Those substances are bases. The nature of such substances is said be basic. जो बेस है, बेसिक है, बेस है, उसका केमिकल नेचर कौन सा बोल सकते हैं, बेसिक. ओके. If we cannot test every substance, how do we find its nature? जो नेचुरल सी देयर आर मेनी सब्सटेंसेस, लेकिन सभी सब्सटेंसेस को हम टेस्ट नहीं कर पाने वाले हैं और कर भी नहीं सकते हैं और करना भी नहीं चाहिए. वी शुड नॉट टेस्ट ईच एंड एवरी सब्सटेंसेस. देन हाउ डू वी कम टू नो दैट वेदर इट इज एसिडिक और वेदर इट इज बेसिक? The nature of that substance, how do we come to know? For that, special type of substances are used to test whether a substance is acidic or basic. तो उसके लिए स्पेशल टाइप ऑफ सब्सटेंसेस होते हैं जिसकी वजह से हमें पता चलता है कि पर्टिकुलर सब्सटेंस इज एसिडिक और बेसिक. और वो जो सब्सटेंसेस है जिससे हमें पता चलता है उसे इंडिकेटर्स बोलते हैं. उसे इंडिकेटर्स बोलते हैं. आज के लिए इतना ही. बाय दिस टाइम वी आर फिनिशिंग दिस पार्ट एंड विल मीट यू इन द नेक्स्ट पार्ट. टिल देन ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड एसिड बेस. ओके, थैंक यू.
Thank you for joining us. Take care of yourselves and we'll meet you in the next session. Thank you.